Hello, my name is Alex LaPlante, and it's October 2010. I'm in Section 2 of Fundamental Physics with Javier Rivera as my teacher. My podcast is going to be making an electromagnet, and with that, I'm going to be using a simple battery or batteries and nails, also copper wire, and some paper clips. Basically, an electromagnet is a magnet that can be turned on and off. So, in this experiment, the battery is the source of electrons. When you connect the wire, the battery to the battery, when you connect this copper wire to the battery, the electrons will flow through the wire. If there's not a complete circuit, which means that each side touches, then there won't create a magnetic flow, and there'll be no flow of electrons. Electrons behave like magnets, and when they flow through a wire, they create a magnetic field, which turns the nail into a magnet. And that's what I'm going to do to pick up the paper clips. So, I already have my 3 batteries, and I have 3 different size nails. I also have them wrapped with wire, nice and tight. And for safety, I have a glove, because when you connect the 2 terminals together, the electrons get hot. The battery gets hot, and I don't want to burn my hands because we have to be safe. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and I'm going to set them on this towel, these paper clips. Alright? As you can see there, here's the paper clips. I'm going to take the battery with the big nail and copper wire. I'm going to connect the 2 ends nice and carefully. There's one. There's the other. So right now, we've got a constant flow of electrons, and it should pick up the nails, or the paper clips. You see that? When we don't have a constant flow, and I let go of one side of the terminal, the flow won't be constant, and the paper clips will fall. So that's what it did with the big battery. With the small battery, we'll do the same thing. Different size nail. And as you can tell, it doesn't pick up as many nails, but it still works just like an electromagnet. And for the last one, we've got a AAA battery, really small, and a really small wall nail. And we're going to see how strong this one is. It's not very strong because it's smaller and the flow of electrons is less. But there's still flow, so therefore it will still work. And if I let go of one terminal, they'll fall. Well, some of them get stuck because they're paper clips. But it does the job. And that's how you create an electromagnet. Thanks again. This is Alex LaPlante, and that was my podcast.